Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna jump right in with this Make a Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is the Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and we're gonna jump right into this eyeshadow tutorial. And I'm gonna take this shadow right here. Not sure what number it is, but it's a brown shade, and I'm just gonna blend that into my crease. And if you notice, I do this a lot with my eyeshadow looks because it's just like a starter color, so it's like a base color, and it's basically the brown is a base. It's close to my skin color, so it can be a base for the rest of the eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to take this dark brown shade here, and I think I'm going to blend this into my crease. I mean, into the in the corners of my eyes. No, I'm going to blend this in my crease. Yes. So I'm just going to blend that into my crease with this brush. I'm gonna blend this. I'm blending this into my crease to create some depth. So we placed a base shade there. Next, we want to place like an eyeshadow color that gives us some depth. And then I'm gonna go into these two colors here, this dark brown and this black shade, and I'm gonna mix the two. I ended up going with just dark brown, I think, because the black was too harsh. So I'm just gonna blend that into the corners of my eyes. And I got something in my eye, but yeah, I'm gonna blend that into the corners of my eyes. Next, I'm gonna go into this shimmer shade, and I'm gonna spray my brush with the Too Faced Hangover Primer spray, and then I'm just gonna apply that gold shimmer shade onto my lid. And I'm not going to cut the crease exactly. I'm just applying it to my lid, just free-handedly. Next, I'm going to take this Hangover Hangover Primer, Too Faced Hangover Primer, and apply that to my face. And it's just to moisturize my skin a little bit, and also to help keep my makeup on. And then I'm going to take this Too Faced Born This Way. I'm using a lot of Too Faced Born This Way Too Faced products, but Too Faced foundation in the color Chai. And obviously you see me dancing. Yeah. So next I'm going to take my beauty sponge. This is from AOA Studio, and I'm going to blend out my foundation. And I do this step to make my foundation look a lot more skin-like. It just makes it seep into your pores, and just makes it look really natural. Well, I'm not going to say natural, but it makes it look really skin-like. Like, it doesn't make it look like the foundation is sitting on your face, sitting on top of your face. Next, I'm going to go in with this Too Faced, I promise you this video is not sponsored, Too Faced concealer, and this is in the shade Butterscotch. And I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, also down the bridge of my nose. And I'm also going to apply it on my chin and my forehead. And these are all the points where light hits your face, so you want it to be lighter here to create some dimension in your face, because the outer portions of your face are naturally darker. So you want to create some depth in your face. So we're going to take this Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to blend that out over my mustache. And I'm also going to apply a little bit down past where the Butterscotch concealer stops, in order to help blend that into my skin, help blend it into the foundation. Next, I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Mocha Mommy, and I applied a little bit too much in the beginning, so I ended up going in with another. Well, actually, I applied too much, and then I realized it was a bit too red for me. I don't know if it was just this time doing makeup or what, but because I've used this before, but so I just decided to not use, I applied it on both sides of my face, but then I stopped and I'm going to go in with another palette after this clip. So before I do that, I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge and blend out my concealer. And you just want to blend your concealer out, and just make sure everything is blended around the corners, around the lines of demarcation. That's kind of why I applied the second concealer to help blend out butterscotch, since it is so light. So you just want to blend everything out and blend everything together. Next, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder, and then I'm going to set my face with it. And I'm going to set everywhere I put the concealer. So under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin. And I'm even going to set my mustache and my smile lines with this powder. Next, I'm going to go in with this contour palette, which is the second palette I said I was going to use. And I'm going to use this to bronze my skin up. As you can see, I did use the Mocha Mami, but I went back in with the contour palette. And then I'm going to go in with this MAC blot powder, and I'm going to use this to set my entire face. So yes, this is a blot powder, but makeup can be used interchangeably. So I always use this blot powder to just set my entire face, because MAC has some great powder products. So I just like to use this powder to set my entire face, and to make sure everything is meshed together, and make sure everything is blended together. Next, we're going to take this Bella blush from Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to apply a little bit. And the reason why I don't smile when I apply my blush is because I have smile lines, and I don't want them to crease before I'm even done doing my makeup. So I just kind of do this little face here. That's kind of, whatever. But I just do that little face there, and then I just apply my blush. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge and blend my blush out. And I'm sorry, I don't know what's up with this lighting. It's just goes haywire sometimes, but I'm using my beauty sponge now to blend out my blush. And next, we're going to apply some highlighter. I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. Not sure of the shade, I'll leave it in the description box. And we're going to apply this to our cheeks. Next, I'm going to blend out that highlighter with my beauty sponge, and I'm also going to blend it out everywhere that I applied the highlighter. So this is the finished look. Well, we're not quite finished yet. I'm going to take my eyeliner from my collection and apply that in my waterline, and then I'm also going to take that shade and blend it out under my waterline to create like a little bit of smokiness. And then I'm going to take my lip gloss from my collection and align my lip with my lip liner from my collection also. And then I'm going to apply that, and then here's the finished look. So as you can see, we have some, gold tones going on in here. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. This is also a wig from my collection. I went and I styled it, I wand curled it, and yeah, so make sure you shop my lash collection. These are in the style Tokyo. The link will be in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.